Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Biogen Inc. And as you can see, this is the daily chart of this particular company and the kind of move this stock has shown in the past couple of days. So from its lows, it has been already moved up by 45%, and it's been consolidating for the last probably 1 year or so, as you can see here, and a sudden spurt has come. Okay, so here you have a sudden spurt has come in this stock, which pushed the stock on the higher end of the range, or towards the higher end of the range. So first we start discussing about that, then we probably look at the other side of the range. So as you can see here, you have your first support because the stock has probably moved up and crossed lots of resistance levels. So you have your first support at $350, below which you have your next support at $336. Then your next support will come at $312 and $292. Below that you have $273, $259, and the lower end of the range, or the lowest support for this range is $244. Now with this single move, the stock is now trading towards the upper end of the range, or which is the higher end of the resistance, and it is $376 on the upside. So if you are looking on the upside, so probably what you're going to see is that the stock will probably move and touch $376 on the upside. But let me tell you one thing, that if one move is so big that it is covering the entire range, one should be mindful of the fact that all these now which become your support level probably may get retested. Okay, because in short term things looks volatile, so we need to see whether this up move is sustainable or not. Okay, so for that, it is not about whether the stock will go down or not, but the simple thing to understand here is the stock can move up further in X amount of time. Okay, so there is no problem in that, but you need to know your support levels and place your stop losses accordingly. That's what is very important. Now because it is trading near to its higher end of the range or its resistance level, obviously one need to follow and look into it. Now in case of any breakout, okay, which we don't think right now, but it need to be so if there is any breakout which will happen after, first, that if a breakout about to happen or has to happen, it has to happen above $377 or $380. Okay, that's the first thing. If it does happen, then obviously we are looking at a level which is the exact replica of the current trend, and if it crosses 376, then one can expect the same amount of upside after 376 or 377. So we are going to discuss about that, but currently looking at the trend, it is probably near to its upper end of the range or the resistance level. So that's the most important thing to understand and look at. And once the trend crosses by, once the stock makes a breakout of $377 and sustain above it, then we are going to discuss it further. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.